Giving your best. Mastering the phrase in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, give your best. It's a common phrase in English, often used in both formal and informal settings. Understanding its meaning and usage will help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and give our best to learn about this phrase. Give your best is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to do something to the best of your ability, putting in maximum effort and dedication. This phrase is often used in situations where you're encouraged to perform at your highest level. It's about trying as hard as you can, regardless of the result. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a work setting, your boss might say, "We have a big project due. I need everyone to give their best." 2. In sports, a coach may encourage players with, "This is an important game. Give your best out there." 3. In personal growth, a mentor might advise, "In pursuing your dreams, always give your best." It's important to note that give your best is different from give the best. The former focuses on personal effort, while the latter implies providing the best of something external. Also, don't confuse it with do your best, which is similar but more commonly used in everyday conversation. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, give your best, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about putting in your greatest effort and striving for excellence. Keep practicing, and you'll surely give your best in learning English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.